Welcome back to another Ohio's First Buc-ee's construction update in Huber Heights, Ohio. Today is October the 12th, 2025.
We're standing across the street from what will be Ohio's First Buc-ee's, the intersection of Arts Road and State Route 235. If you're new to the channel, or if this is your first time watching, I'd like to say welcome. We're known as Follow the Arrows. We've been making Buc-ee's construction update videos since November of 2023, when this was just an empty field behind us. We've got over 60 videos on our YouTube channel documenting all the different phases of the construction. So if you're new here, please go back and check out some of the older videos. Stay with us. Go ahead and subscribe. We're going to be here bringing you videos till they do the grand opening. This Buc-ee's that they're building behind us will be Ohio's first Buc-ee's. It's going to be 74,000 square feet. It's going to have at least 100 gas pumps. It was scheduled to open in December of 2025, but due to some construction delays, that's been pushed to April of 2026. I think they're probably pretty well on track to meet that now. They've been making a lot of progress here lately. So we're glad to have you here, and please stick around, and don't forget we make other videos too. Go check those out. As far as today's construction update, we flew the drone. Another beautiful day down here in Ohio. There's a little bit of progress going on everywhere you look out there on the site. Of course, there's been some new concrete since last week. Most notably, the biggest change that you see is the progress on the fuel pump island canopies. They're making a lot of progress there. They've now got some bricks on the support poles. They're actually out there working today on Sunday. Yesterday, Saturday, we were in Salina, Ohio with our mini donut trailer for the first time at the first ever Fall Jubilee at Lakeshore Park. We had 3 of our viewers from the YouTube channel stop and say hi to us yesterday, and that's always nice to meet the viewers to the channel. I'm going to go ahead and insert their pictures here. This is Joe and Felicia. They're from Bradford, Ohio. This is Charlie and Ashley. They're from Salina, Ohio. I met these guys back in the winter at the Sheetz grand opening in Troy, Ohio. This is Jared, Cora, and Emmy. See Emmy sporting the Buc-ee's t-shirt there. These guys just recently got back from a trip to Gatlinburg, Tennessee, where they visited the Buc-ee's in Richmond, Kentucky and Sevierville, Tennessee. This is a picture of our Kitty High Striker game and mini donut trailer at the festival in Salina. Now, they all told us that they knew about the event that we were playing because they heard it here on YouTube. So I'd like to thank you guys for stopping by and saying hi. This coming Saturday, we're going to be in Sydney, Ohio at the S&G number 110 store. It's right off I-75 at the intersection of what's known as County Road 25A or Wapakoneta Avenue and Howisher Road. If you're in the Sydney area, stop by and say hi. We'd love to meet you. Well, we're down here today filming our video. We found that the construction management team has left us a note. So let's see what they left for us here. It says, "Attention YouTubers. Due to ongoing construction and traffic here at Buc-ee's in Huber Heights, Ohio, and along State Route 235, for your safety and the safety of others, please refrain from walking onto the job site, as well as standing inside the traffic barrels / caution tape. This includes the traffic median on State Route 235. This is an ongoing work zone that only authorized personnel are permitted to be within. Thank you for your understanding and cooperation, and we look forward to seeing you all on grand opening day." Well, I know that Sonia and I have never walked on to the job site. As far as standing inside the traffic barrels, caution tape, and walking on the traffic median, I know Sonia and I have done that pretty recently, and I know Lyd Wetzel's done that. But hey, we'd like to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so you get all the updates every time we bring you a Buc-ee's video. And you know, guys, if you've got the inside connection, we'd really love an invitation to come inside the building and show our viewers what the progress looks like on the inside. So we promise to be good and not break any of the rules, but if you guys would like to show the world what's going on inside the building, reach out to us. We'd love to put you on video. Well, Sonia, I think that sign's missing something.
I do too.
Yeah,
It needs a little more color.
let's let them know that we've seen it and read it.
That looks better.
That looks much better.
Much better.
Well, I think that's going to do it for today. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to hit that hype button to push us out to more subscribers.
Please go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of these Buc-ee's construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
And we'll see ya down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Here's a look at the fuel pump island canopies. You can see the progress that's been made here in the last week. Here's a look at the retail store. You can see they're getting ready to pour the sidewalk at the south end of the store. Let us know in the comments, which end of the store do you think the signature Buc-ee's statue will be placed? Will it be on the south side or the north side? Let us know in the comments. Here's the exit ramp from I-70 West to State Route 235. Here's a look at State Route 235 and some of the construction that's taking place there.